not something new, however, now it is quite common in our society as well. Several men have admitted that there are some psychological reasons why they are attracted to older women and like to have them as their partner or wife. So, what are those psychological reasons that make them crazy about older women? Watch on to know them right below. Here are some psychology reasons why younger men like to date older women. They are mature and experienced. So, they are good conservationists, sorted, and balanced. An older woman will have more relationship experience than her young lover. This makes the woman feel more capable of handling the ups and downs of a relationship. This atypical power imbalance can be an alluring factor in these types of pairings. Mostly, they don't do gossip all the time. Since they are experienced, they know how to deal with toxic persons. So, they don't need to do gossip with their partners to vent their frustrations. They can handle them maturely. They are highly confident and have boosted self-esteem. So, they don't easily get involved in any argument just to prove them right. They know how to deal with tough times. Sexual maturity is one of the most important reasons. Many younger men have admitted that their older partners are better in bed. A woman in her 30s or 40s or more could be married but living separately, divorced, or never married but been in and out of many relationships. In either of these situations, the woman is likely to have had much more experience in the bedroom than her boy-toy lover. Their maturity level helps them to not get clingy in a relationship. They believe in giving their partner personal alone time and respect that. Older women are emotionally mature. During a vulnerable moment in the relationship, they don't create unnecessary drama, which often makes men crazy. They can handle their emotions maturely. Dating an older woman is like learning and gaining knowledge every day. They can new experiences each and every moment with their older partner. Older women are very mature in monetary issues as well. They tend to take some money responsibilities on their shoulders, also to lower the burden of their husbands. This is another striking feature of older women which men like the most. When both the partners are mature enough, then there is mutual understanding and respect for each other in the relationship. Time is not kind to anyone. Wrinkles and beer bellies are just some of the obvious signs of aging that can add years to a man's look. A woman may date a younger man if she feels that men of her age are not as attractive or handsome anymore. When a woman dates a younger guy, she is exposed to a life that she would have virtually forgotten about. The playful romance, romantic outings, and youthful love can make her feel like she is reliving her 20s. Cougars are typically depicted in popular culture as being more financially stable and independent than their younger male partners. This is because the woman presumably has worked for many years and is in a healthier financial situation. When it comes to dating an older woman, you are relieved by the fact that most of them seem to have outgrown the idea of being pampered. They understand the value of time and money and will not waste it aimlessly, nor will want their partners to do the same. Younger women seem to be a bit more self-indulgent and demand the utmost attention from their partners, ignorant of their partner's feelings. Therefore, in case anything goes wrong, older women are more understanding and supportive, which is extremely soothing and attractive. These are some reasons some men gave for dating an older woman. The following are recent surveys done by Time magazines, giving reasons why they are dating older women from Practical Approach. Some men in their 20s date women over 30 because they understand better how to interact in a relationship. Jose Fernandez, 24, single. I appreciate the grace and expression of slightly older women. Certain facial features, like smile lines, can be charming. Neve, 25, single. They know what they want. There is more of an end game. So if you meet their criteria, they're good. Billy, 27, has a girlfriend. I think women in their 30s are in their prime. Sexual maturity, the way that they carry themselves, for me something about it screams woman. Alex Sanza, 28, single. They are more stable. Solomon, 29, just started seeing someone over 30. While men in their 30s say, generally more expert at the multisensory/theatrical aspects of the whole dance. Anonymous, 30, single. Much better sex. Anonymous, 32, actively dating. When I was in my 20s, I was drawn to older women because it gave me a certain level of confidence, because she was established. She's not as needy. Peter Bailey, 34, not married. More nurturing. Percy Baldonado, 38, single.